Good morning. I am Mrs. Axeli Jovita, Assistant Professor, KC's Kasinagar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to discuss about addressing modes in 8085 microprocessor. Definition of addressing modes. The term addressing modes refers to the way in which the operand of an instruction is specified. The addressing mode specifies a rule for interpreting or modifying the address field of an instruction before the operand is actually executed. In simple way, we can say that the way of specifying data to be operated by the instruction is called addressing mode. Types of addressing mode. In 8085 microprocessor, there are 5 types of addressing modes. Immediate addressing mode, register addressing mode, direct addressing mode, register indirect addressing mode, implied and implicit addressing mode. Let us discuss one after another. Immediate addressing mode. In immediate addressing mode, the source of the operand is always data. If the data is 8-bit, then the instruction will be in 2-byte. So if the data is 16-bit, then the instruction will be 3-byte. For example, the instruction move B45 will immediately move the data 45 to the register B. This is direct instruction. That is, the data is specified in the instruction itself in our immediate addressing mode. Next is register addressing mode. In register addressing mode, the data to be operated is available inside the registers. Therefore, the operation is performed within various registers of the microprocessor. For example, move A, B. This instruction will copy the content of B to the register A. This is called register addressing mode. Next is direct addressing mode. In direct addressing mode, the data to be operated is available inside a memory location, and that location is directly specified as an operand. So for example, LDA 2050. So we are having some address like this. So let 2051 be here and 2050 be here and 2049 will be here. Let us assume, okay. Then for example, if we are having the value 45 in our 2050 memory 45H, okay, then in a direct addressing mode, the 45, the value of 45 in the memory location 2050 will directly assign to the accumulator A. A takes the value 45H. So this is a direct addressing mode. Next is register indirect addressing mode. In register indirect addressing mode, the data to be operated is available inside the memory location, but that memory location is indirectly specified by the register pair. Let us see an example. So move A, M. That means it move the content of the memory location pointed by the HL pair to the accumulator. Let us take the second example, LDAX B. It will move the content of BC register to the accumulator. So let us assume that this is our B register and this is our C register, and it holds that 95 memory address and 70. Okay, the content in B and 70 register, C register. Okay, so finally, if you are pairing these two register, we will have 95 and 70. 95 and 70 here. Okay, so let us assume this in this address we are having the data 22H, having the data 22H. Okay, so by this instruction, the 22H will transfer to the accumulator A. Okay, so in this addressing mode, data is transferred from memory location pointed by the register pair B and C. Okay, this is register indirect addressing mode. Last one is implied and implicit addressing mode. In implied implicit addressing mode, the operand is hidden and the data is operator is available in the instruction itself. So let us take the first example, CMA. What will the instruction do? It finds and store the ones complement of the content of in accumulator, and it will store the answer in an accumulator. Okay, so let us assume that our accumulator holds the value CCH. It is before execution. Okay, so what is the binary value of CCH? 11001100. If you take ones complement of these, what will we get? 00110011. So what is the binary decimal value of this binary means 33H exa value. Okay, and after the execution of the CMA command, the accumulator will hold 33H value in its in this register. Okay, this is implied addressing mode. Thank you.